Python is a general-purpose and widely used programming language. It includes high-level data structures, dynamic typing, dynamic binding, and many more features that make it as useful for complex application. It can also be extended code that could run with C or C++. The inspiration for the name came from Monty Python's Flying Circus, a BBC comedy series from the 1970s, as Guido van Rossum, the creator, was a big fan of the TV show. Python is used by Google, Instagram, Spotify, Quora, Netflix, Dropbox, and Reddit. Python is also used for AI and machine learning, data analytics, data visualization, programming applications, web development, and gaming. What will students learn in this Python class? Just like other programming languages, we will teach programming fundamentals, data types, data structures, list and list management. But Python emphasizes code readability over complexity. It uses an easy-to-follow indentation system, making it the go-to language for programmers and data scientists alike. The average salary for a Python developer is $113,260 per year in the United States.